This video is sponsored by SBO Digital Marketing. Look, not everyone has time to trade. Even if you got a phone or a Facebook account or an Instagram account or a YouTube account, you're already eligible. SBO gives you work from home mobile based job that pays daily. No selling, no referrals, no pyramid schemes. You just share, publish and you get paid. Instant payouts from day one. If you want details, just send your name and qualification to the WhatsApp number 9994104 and they'll guide you. Now let's get into today's video.
ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாதீங்க, பெரிய தப்பு. தினம் 300 ரூபாய் சம்பாதிக்க அரிய வாய்ப்பு. இன்ஸ்டாகிராம், ஃபேஸ்புக் பயன்படுத்த தெரிந்தால் போதும் கண்டென்ட் போஸ்ட் அண்ட் கண்டென்ட் பப்ளிஷிங் மூலமா தினம் 300 ரூபாய் சம்பாதிக்கலாம். இந்த வேலை செய்ய 5 நிமிடம் போதும். ஒர்க் ட்ரைனிங் சப்போர்ட், குரூப் கம்யூனிகேஷன் சப்போர்ட், ஆல் லாங்குவேஜ் கஸ்டமர் லைவ் சாட் சப்போர்ட், முக்கியமா சொந்தமா ஒரு பிசினஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ற அளவுக்கு உங்களால கற்றுக்கொள்ளவும் முடியும், சம்பாதிக்கவும் முடியும். இந்த வேலை வாய்ப்பு வழங்குவது 5 வருடத்திற்கு மேல ரன் ஆகிட்டு இருக்க நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டு கம்பெனி ஸ்கூல் ஆஃப் பிசினஸ் ஆர்கனைசேஷன் பிரைவேட் லிமிடெட். மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பருக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுங்க.
Alright, today I want to talk about something that's been eating traders alive, and most of you don't even realize it, but you're burning your cash. Prop firms, funded accounts, whatever. Instagram makes it look like, wow, that's a wonderful opportunity. Yeah, it is, but let's start with the bait. They flash big payouts and 80% profit spreads, scaling up to 2 million instant payouts. It sounds so attractive, you don't even ask what's the catch. Well, the catch is everywhere. It's baked into rules, the targets, and even your own psychology. Once you start the challenge, you'll not be yourself. Hardly anyone breaks it down like this. Phase 1, most of the firms, you need to make 10% profit with a maximum drawdown of 10%. That alone means you are being asked to risk everything they allow just to hit the target. Now let's say you pass, congratulations. But phase 2 asks another 5% of profit, still with the same 10% drawdown rule and 5% daily drawdown rule. So what's really happening is you're being asked to generate what's effectively 150% return on the risk, which is 10% drawdown, before you even get to a funded account stage. So that's 150%. You're flipping an account. Think about that. And after that, you still need to keep making consistent profits if you ever want to request a payout. That's not just a test of skill, it's a marathon most traders aren't equipped for. They think it's a sprint, get rich quick, but it's not. Here's the harsh reality. Average retail trader win rate is around 40 to 55%. That's just fact. But to survive a prop challenge and get to payouts, you need at least 65 to 80% win rate if you're using a 1 hour. But if you're using a 3 hour strategy, and you need to risk relatively less, like 0.25% or 0.5% to cope with the drawdown. And it's not just for a week or two, for the entire evaluation under strict risk management. One losing streak would just make you breach the account and your psychological factors would mess up. Your fee goes straight to the firm's pocket and now you're back at square one. Data shows that less than 5% ever who purchases a challenge sees a payout. That means 95% of the traders fail before even tasting a dollar from these firms. You think these payout screenshots on Instagram represent reality? They do not. They are the minority. They are the lucky ones, or should I say the disciplined ones, or sometimes the manipulated ones, used for marketing, of course, by these small, less reputed firms. We don't actually know. Even maybe the bigger firms can use it. And that's not all. These firms don't just test your trading skill. They engineer rules that increase your failure rate. For example, consistency rules and trading drawdowns and no weekend or news trading for some accounts. You think you're fighting the market, but in reality, you're fighting both the market and the firm's rulebook and yourself. And then comes, yeah, and then comes the psychological factors, the mental side, which is the deadliest. When you're on a personal account, you can wait for your setup, stick to your plan. The only factor is that you'll make a lot less. But in a challenge, every loss feels like a step closer to reaching your account. Every missed setup feels like you are wasting time, and you end up second guessing good trades just to protect the face, or even after one bad loss, you revenge trade, double down, and wipe the entire account. The challenge rules aren't just to measure your skill, they are weaponizing your emotions against you. Now you might ask, why would firms make it this hard? Simple, that's their business model. For every dollar they pay out, they make anywhere between $8 to $10 in challenge fees. Let me repeat that. Their profits don't come from your success. Their profit comes from your failure. You're not the customer, you're the product. You're not the customer, you're the product. Now, I'm not saying prop firms are useless. For experienced traders and skilled traders with proven systems and controlled emotions and risk management, with years of consistency, they can be a powerful tool. They allow scaling without risking personal capital, and they let you leverage your edge on a bigger account. But beginners, no. If you're still figuring out your strategy, still chasing signals blindly on Telegrams or Twitter, still getting emotional after every loss, prop firms will burn your wallet. And if you're a beginner, my advice is build a track record first, perfect your strategy, and stick to risk management. Journal your emotions while you're trading, and don't burn away your money on 10 to 20 challenges back to back. But if you're stubborn and hungry, and if you want to try it anyway, I'll make you a deal. Sign up using my affiliate link, join Portfolio Maxing, and I'll help you pass phase 1 for completely free. I'll provide you setups and risk management and guidance, so you don't walk in blind. I make my cut from the firm and not from you. That's the dark reality. The system is built to profit off your failure. The ads are designed to seduce you. The rules are written to rip you up. If you approach it with your eyes wide open and with guidance and real strategy, you can play the game differently. And only the game can teach you the game. With experience, you'll surely level up. Subscribe if you want real talk, not fairy tales. That's what Portfolio Maxing is for. See you.